sale of cigarettes will be permitted.
Umthetho awuvumi.
Including issues of vibrators.
Umthetho awuvumi. Umthetho awuvumi.
19. Special for this COVID-19 for the community. It's a food parcels.
It's free.
It's free. It's coming from the government. So it's a theft to have this thing on your hands.
So you're supposed to go to the Jumbo to ask them.
No,
but you are selling this. You must deal with Jumbo.
You have the one have to be accountable for it.
Not for free for you, okay? We buy it from the company there. So what we must do?
My friend,
Umthetho awuvumi.
Isifo siphele noma sinciphe ngalendlela ukuthi siyaphela akanginikeza igorille lesifazane elimnyama ngebala lethe kimi I can do something ngaleso silanele so ikhona into engayenza yenzeke mina kodwa ngalo
awuvumi.
Uyabona usaphuma efrijini. Nisho ukuthi
Umthetho awuvumi.
And what's going on here? All of you down. You mean the president is crazy, ne?
Umthetho awuvumi. Umthetho awuvumi.
To be honest, i-COVID-19 asinandaba nayo. Inkinga yethu nje into esiworried ngayo ama-tavern lawa avaliwe utshwala esingakwazi ukuthola access kuyo ukuthi singakwazi ukuya ema-clubini singakwazi ukujola. I think that's the only reason why i-lockdown is really hard. It's because you can't get through with your day like on a normal basis.
Umthetho awuvumi.
Isicelo sami wena ungakaphumi ngaphandle imakulondawo apha kuphekile becela semangcwabeni bebesike bahambe kabantu hayi zawubetha umthetho tata
Umthetho awuvumi.
Sizule sifunane nabo utshwala. Abukho. Ucela ukuvalile. Ngasho ngathi ucela inkinga.
Umthetho awuvumi.
And I don't know when the lockdown will end. Some people are saying the 16th of April. But when we announced it, I didn't say what year it will end.
Umthetho awuvumi.